Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. With the holiday season just around the corner, so many of us are preparing for their Christmas gatherings, especially in the Philippines. September 1, start ba na ng Christmas season. So majority of us are preparing for that holiday gatherings, Christmas parties, Christmas events. But we all know it's a struggle and stressful and overwhelming at times. So I created a Christmas party Notion template that can help you plan, manage your guest list, to do activities in game, shopping list, food, vendors, all in one place, all in this Notion template. So I hope you appreciate and download this template. And let's dive in. So what are the benefits of this Christmas party Notion template? As I mentioned before, so number one, it saves your time. So no more scattered spreadsheets, notes, or stickies. It's all accessible in one place. Then the second one is your budget. So you can easily track your expenses, charges. So no more surprises. Then the last one is your experience with your guests, with fun activities and raffle as well. All while enjoying your gatherings. So how to download my template, just go to the link in the description below or just go to randyvalencianotion.gumroad.com. You can choose whatever template that you want to download. So nandito yung Christmas Party Planner, the first item. So just click it and then just name a fair price again. So it's free for now. So just input 0, then add to cart, then proceed with checkout. And after proceeding with checkout, you will be redirected to the Notion. If you're not registered to Notion yet, please do register using my links down below. So this is a Christmas party planner Notion template. So as you can see, meron tayong navigation on the left with all these mini dashboards. We have a quick guide where you can check all the guides of each database or the pages, the guest list, menu recipes, activities and games, to-do list to keep track all your tasks, shopping list to track all your items that you need to buy, expenses, vendors, raffle prices, planning tips as well. I added some bonus. Then the database. So on the left as well, meron tayong event summary, kailan yung exact event, days left, number of guests, your budget, and your expense, and your remaining balance. You also have an image. You can always change this. So on the right side naman, we have important tasks as a calendar view. Meron tayong all, priority, events, and expenses. As you can see, in a table format. Tapos may sum din. And then we have all the guest list. And with dietary restrictions, kung meron man, you can always switch to the tabs. For event games and activities, so all pertaining not just the games but also the event activities. Then meron tayong tab only for activities, then a tab only for games. So we also have menu recipes with main course, appetizer, dessert. So naka-separate siya. So, event shopping list, then you can easily check or add kung ano pa yung mga kailangan mong bilhin for your event. Then, meron tayong exciting raffle prizes. Ayan. Gift baskets, samples. So, this is our only sample. Tapos, meron tayong dito sa baba is yung events, vendors, and sponsors. Kung meron kang vendors dyan o sponsor ng specific item or ng, like for example, a music or flowers or entertainment showcase. So you can easily track them here. So that's an overview. So let's go one at a time sa databases natin. The first one is guest list. So sa guest list, meron nga tayong kanina, all the guests. Tapos you can check yung mga properties niya. Let's go with the properties. So we have the name, attending, kung a-attend ba yung guest mo. Just check it, yes or no. If you have dietary restriction, at least aware ka. Contact number, contact email. So you can also, meron din akong cover image so you can upload. So at least mas maganda. Tapos category in the sense that ano yung relationship mo with the guest, a friend, colleague, whatsoever. Tapos kung may special request. The overview one, this property is just for linking for the summary. Every create mo ng guest list, mag-add siya as the total guest. So there's another block for here, attending all the guests. So ito yung mga naka-filter na yung sino yung mga a-attend. So attending is put sa check. Tapos there. Tapos with diet style restrictions naman, naka-separate din siyang table. Tapos we have also another page yung menu and recipes. So menu and recipes by all menus, kung ano yung mga lulutuin mo. Tapos meron tayong all courses. So naka-separate siya main course, appetizer, dessert. Tapos if you want to add one more snacks, so you can easily add another category. So another course natin. Tapos by difficulty din, so you can separate if it's easy, intermediate, or advanced. Tapos aside from that, nilagyan ko na lang dito ng siyang event shopping list para at least ano ba yung mga bibilin ko for that specific menu. So you can also have reference it from here. Then we also have the activities and games. So all activities. Tapos by age group. So sa properties na activities, meron tayong name ng activity category if it's activities or event games. Tapos meron din tayo by age group kung kids, teens, adults. Tapos duration, number of players, the image. Tapos kung sino yung winner para at least matrack mo kung sino kagad yung winner. Tapos assign kung sino yung naka-assign sa gagawa or magpapa-game or magpapa-event. Ito yung sample ng event. Tapos sino yung winner dito. Tapos ayan. So that's for activities. Then next for to-do list. So ito yung mga major tasks na kailangan mong gawin for your event. Like for example, set ka ng reminder for emails, mag-arrange ka ng transportation, mag-setup ka ng music playlist. So from here, it's a weekly calendar format. But you can easily change this to a monthly view. But below, meron akong sample block or table view format. All of the events na naka-priority, tapos kung anong tag for specific event. If it's for menu, decoration, event, entertainment, transportation. So it's already here prepared for you. You can easily change this, of course, for your specific event. So kung ano yung priority, I have a tab here for priority high, medium, and low priority. Then a total list and kung gusto mo ng ganitong format. So I also have another view below. It's a Kanban board for the status of that activity. If it's not started, in progress, and done. So you can also track it here. Yan. Ito yung weekly to-do list natin. So, tapos meron dito yung shopping list earlier. Naka-table format lang din para at least matrack mo kung ano yung mga bibilin. Tapos if you have amount as well, the better. Pero kung estimate lang, okay lang din. Tapos naka-tags din if it's food, decorations, or supplies. So this checkbox if nabili na or hindi pa, then you have a notes. Tapos kung ano yung quantity. If ever papabili mo siya, at least meron siyang meron na siyang list on what to buy. So this is a very good example. Tapos for the expenses, ito yung mga itatrack natin na mag-reflect dun sa summary. So for example, nagbayad ka ng for decoration, just input the amount, then automatic magsasum na siya, automatic magre-reflect dun sa overview tracker natin. So let's see the properties for our expenses. So meron tayong name of the expense, amount incurred, tapos category, if it's a decoration of venue, tapos sa payment method, cash, bank transfer, tapos may date kung kailan nagbayad, tapos if paid or not, tapos kung vendors, pwede mo siya i-link. Kung may vendor ka, mamaya i-discuss natin yung vendor. Pero for example, may vendor ka for balloons, at least i-link mo siya kung sino yung vendor na yun. Tapos kung may receipt ka, it's better to track, of course, especially for companies, i-track mo yung mga resibo mo. Then for overview, ayun nga kanina, for the summary. So for the expense, that's for the expense, naka-categorize din for decoration, entertainment. So at least there's a list for that. Then there's vendors management. Yung mga meron kang all the vendors, then you have preferred vendors. Kung naka-post mo na siya before, then just tag it as preferred. So let's see the properties of the events and vendors. Name, contact information, notes, amount, if it's preferred or not. Then contract description, contract, if may contract kayo, PDF, you can upload the file here. Tapos nakalink yan sa expenses if you want, payment terms, services, and other informations like date. So there. So ito nakakategorize yung mga expenses mo based on the vendors. So for example, for ABC, ito yung expense. Ito yung flowers, ito yung expense. Then the last one is the exciting raffle prizes. So especially sa mga company events na may raffle prizes, right? So add mo lang dito yung mga raffle prizes mo. Then tag mo lang kung sino yung winner. So meron ditong name, description ng raffle prize, ticket number. Sure may mga ticket number yan for reference. Claim or not. Tapos notes kung sino yung sponsor. Kung may sponsor sa inyo. Cover image para dito sa aesthetics natin. Tapos kung sino yung winner. So add mo lang kung sino yung winner dito like this. So at least meron ako ditong create na another view for all those who claim their raffle prize. So that's it. No? Please make sure to use this Christmas party template, especially malapit na yung Pasko. So September, October, November, these are the bare months na kailangan natin prepare for our event. So there. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share, and subscribe for more exciting tips and Notion templates. So thanks again, happy planning, and have a fantastic holiday season. God bless.